This video explains how to back up and restore your system settings in Blaze. First, log in locally and then go to Settings. From Settings, click Backup and Restore. Then click Backup Now to create a restore point. Choose a location, name the description, and even add a password for security purposes. Alternatively, use the automated backup to restore your system from a previous configuration. Click Restore to begin the restoration process. If there is a password, enter the password here and click Next. Automatic backups use the Super Administrator password. Then you can click Next to start the restoration process. You'll then be exited out of the system while it's being restored.